So look here, we want to jump right in and we want to talk about active listings, Asheville, single family only, versus the number of under contracts. So active listings versus under contracts is a super important ratio to take a look at. So the first thing to note is this chart, right? This is a 5-year chart. The green represents the number of active listings. So notice, true to the other numbers, July 2018 was a soft year. Notice since then that the active number of listings has been going down, down, down. And these are the summer months here, okay? And notice there is a slight uptick in the number of active listings compared to this time last year. This note is the number of under contracts. And again, we can see that in 2020 and then again in 2021, we have higher than normal under contracts. So let's take a look at October of 2022. We have 529 active listings and we have 152 under contract. That is a ratio of 28.7% under contracts to active listings. That is a huge ratio. If we go back to October of 19, which is where the analysts that I enjoy listening to would like to see us get back to, we had 888 active listings and 160 under contract. So we essentially have the same number under contract, and yet we have 40% fewer active listings. So that's huge. And what that says to me is that buyers are still coming to this community. Yes, we are off 30%, but our active listings are down, and it is putting so much pressure on the active listing market. So let's take a look at one more stat, and this is the number of new listings versus days on market. So what I want you to see, this is the new listings on the market, okay? If I extrapolate out this 2022 number to 12 months, I am going to get about 2,100 new listings. Notice that that 2,100 is lower than anywhere in the last 5 years for new listings. So sellers are beginning to feel a bit of a pause as mortgage rates have increased. I'm wondering if that pause is completely well-founded because we still have an average days on market of 25 days on market. So this is the last stat that I want to show you, and that is the closed price average versus the closed price to original price ratio. So look, you guys, we continue to go up in our average price per house, Asheville single family only. What I want you to take note of is that in 2020, March of 2021, we went into the 500s in our average price per house, and we have stayed there. And we popped up into the $700,000 range in September, and we are back down in the $600,000 range. This is a really important number. Original list price to sell price is now tracking at 97.2%. That means that the buyers that are in the market are still buying about 30% of the active listings, and they are getting just a little bit of a benefit, and sellers are still seeing a 13% increase year over year in the average price per house. I am Pierrette Rouleau. I hope this has been extremely useful to you. Thank you so much for the opportunity to come into your home or office again today.